Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to use discount code and FundedNext. And without waste any time guys, let's get started. First go to your website as you can see here and select the model that you want to do. And I want just example Stellar model, and he say want to 25,000 as you can see here, and scroll down and you want to click the start challenge. So if you actually notice, everything is already laid out and here, except in this party guys, you can add the lifetime payout and you can continue, and then going to input your email address as you can see here and click continue. This is actually going to ask you to create account if you don't have an account guys, so you can create a new account after you sign up, and you are going to be taken to a page and going to paying amount. And that happened. Actually have placed it your discount code as you can see here guys. I will below in the description guys, and you can have discount. I mean, you would really save a lot of money. And don't forget guys, always open discount code and the description. I hope guys this video helpful for you. See you on